Hey, welcome to Abhishek Ayagare, and today we have a very interesting product, the Sony WH-X1000 XM4s. It sounds a bit, confusing, and let's tell it as Mark 4s. So the case is like real premium, and first let us see the unboxing, come back and we'll see what are the contents of this box, and we'll take you outside for some real world reviews. Okay, so let's go. Welcome back. So let's see what are the contents of the box. You have already seen it, but let me explain what you get over here. So let us open. There you go. A beautiful set of headsets. So keeping the headsets aside for a moment, we do get an airplane adapter. I don't know how much we'll use these days. You're out of power, you can use the wire. And you get a very small USB Type-C cable. That's about it you get on this box, and let's come to the headsets first. So headsets are pretty foldable, and the cushioning is real comfortable. Yes, you do get hot once you wear these headsets for long periods of time, but the headband is actually more comfortable than the previous XM3s. It's foldable, but hey, did you see that putting it back to the case is a bit of a task? How should I put? Hey, can you help? Let me do it. So we wear it like this, take it out, right side here, fold this, get it inside. That's a process you have to do, but yeah, you pay 25,000 rupees, you have to save it in a case. And coming to the sound quality, as you know, Sony XM3s were like exceptional with the sound quality, and it's no other game in XM4s as well. XM4s really sound good. So let's see the noise cancellation capabilities of the Mark 4s, and let me play a song from YouTube from Epidemic, non-copyright. That's the song. There you go. I hope you can hear. Now let's put on the headphones, which is off. And now I'm going to turn on.
Power on. Bluetooth connected.
And now let me play the music. Allah bro, please. Let's let's transit outside, okay?
No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me, I'm losing every battle.
So now I am in my active noise cancellation, my own music world, and let's say someone talks to you and you want to respond. How will you do it? Just place your palm over here and the surround sound flows into an. All your 5 microphones grab the sound over here. And let's say you want to go back to your own world. There you go. And now I am back in my own little ANC world. And the ANC is pretty great over here. You get active noise cancellation and it supports wind noise cancellation as well. 25 watt K for these headphones, it's a buy for me, and you definitely have to buy this. Link will be in the description. It's not an affiliate link. I'm not an influencer. I just like a product which I buy, I give it to you. That's your Abhishek, and that's what this channel is all about, celebrating your customers. And I don't put any affiliate links. Just go to the description, you will find the Amazon's original link. Go to it, buy it, benefit yourself, and be happy with these headphones. You will be in your own little sweet music world, and this would be a great addition to your headsets. Now the design is very smooth. I know the design looks minimalistic, as you can see, both sides, very minimalistic design. And if you wear them, I mean, people won't recognize this as a 25k 25 watt K kind of a headset, but they do look stylish, and I like them in this matte black color. There is a silver color option which you can see the photo right over here, and I mean, personal choice, I like matte black. Here you go. And definitely if you have like, I mean, if you are like an audiophile, you like premium headsets, premium class headsets, definitely go for the MX4s, or as I call it, Mark 4s. You also do have a wife mode, as Ranjit Bhai said, and the wife mode is press 2 fingers and hold, speak to chat gets activated. It's kind of a gimmick product, but what does speak to chat do? Let's say I'm speaking to you guys, my subscribers. I'm speaking to you, and what happens is the music stops, noise cancellations goes off, ambient sound kicks in, and then you can hear the words from the other person's mouth. But let's say if you're in your own noise cancellation, you just want to speak like within minutes, just place your palm over here like this on the right ear cup, and that will bring in the ambient noise in. Once you remove it, you're back to your noise cancellation. So that's about it, about the features of the Mark 4s, and please do buy them if you really like them. Link will be in the description, as I told you. Also subscribe to the channel would be a great help and a great motivation boost for me. And I have been overwhelmed that I have not put videos for past 2 months or so, and yeah, it's been tough times for all, but stay safe, stay healthy. Signing off, your Abhishek.